Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I had made this planter quite some time back. Probably it's been almost 2 years that I had made this, and unfortunately while shifting the house, it happened to break. I mean, probably they might have just pushed it somewhere and it happened to crack. It also fell and then it cracked even more. But what we can do is, it's quite strong still. I can put some cement layer on this and then again color it with black. So I will put the cement sometime later on. But before that, I'm going to hang it first and then I will put the cement wherever it requires. Now I already have some plants in this. I have a burrow's tail in this. I have the Crassula, Sormantesa, and then I have a variegated Mebina, which is also there in this. So there are a couple of plants in this. So I was thinking of, because it is green, we have the yellows and we have the pastel yellow, almost white. So I wanted to add in a little bit of more color. So I have my all-time favorite ruby necklace. So I'm going to put the ruby necklace somewhere in this corner. I will place the ruby necklace right at the sides, because this is a little bigger piece of ruby necklace, and then I will cover it up with some soil. It's little difficult to work when you have a pot like this that is very narrow, but I think we are good. So I'm going to put some more soil above it. So I have added some soil, and the ruby necklace is going to be the red color to this beautiful hanging planter. And I had some kittens that I'm also going to add above. Sorry. So I'm going to add the kittens right above. Now as you can see, all of the plants are facing forward, because of course this is going to be the back portion of the planter, the hanging planter. So we are going to add some kittens over here. I think that should be it, because over the period of time they will also trail downwards. So we just want to ensure that everything is in the forward, because it's going to hang and this is going to be the back portion. We do not want any plants to grow at the back. Any which ways, the sun is only going to be hitting in the front, so the plants automatically will start to come forward, because whenever there is sun, if the plant loves sun, it is going to come towards the forward. There is going to be a good amount of space behind if they want to grow, so that this thing can become completely bushy. It's going to take a very, very long time, to be honest. It will take another probably a year for it to completely get overfilled. But again, it depends. If it happens faster, much better, because all of these succulents are winter growers. So guys, so sorry, apologies if I called this Mebina. This is Graptopelaum merinii. This is a variegated one. That's why it has a very different color. So it is going to look beautiful as and when it starts to grow. It's quite early to say how it's going to turn out, but I am hoping that these kittens will start to also fall forward. So they are going to give a layering to the ruby necklace, which is going to be completely purple in color. I do not want to overcrowd it anymore, because over the period of time when it's going to grow, it is going to get very bushy and congested. So I'm going to give a lot of space. The arrangement is going to look very scanty right now, but as I said, over the time when it tends to get matured, it will tend to look amazing. I will paint or I will add some cement later on. Right now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now the next important part is we need to use some kind of wire to hang it. So guys, this is how it finally looks like. I have my donkey tails and my ruby necklace at the end over here, and this is another arrangement that I've made. Now as I said, it is going to take a while for it to get filled up, and when it's going to get filled up, it's going to look more beautiful. Slightly, a lot of these succulents are dehydrated, but it is going to take a while. So the crack is right from here until below, so I'll have to fill it up with some cement. I'll do it later on, and then I will give it another coat of black paint, so it's going to look perfect. So this is how the arrangement looks like. It's going to take a while for it to completely fill up and even get colored. So once it gets colored and once it looks a little bit more fuller, it's going to look amazing. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.